Hi, it's Said, and today I'll show you how to turn on full screen gestures on Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. So first go into the settings, then display, scroll down to navigation bar. And here we have the buttons that I have and swipe gestures. When you select the gestures, right here you have the gesture hint, show where to swipe up from navigation gestures. You can also swipe left or right across the hints to switch between apps. Now to go back, just swipe from the left or from the right. To open the home screen, just swipe up from the bottom, and to open app drawers, scroll from down and hold on top on the center of the screen. Then we have one more thing. When you right here on the bottom swipe left, you go the app before, and right the next app. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.